What's up everyone, JK here back with more model unboxings and reviews. This time it's triple sevens, three triple sevens, so triple seven unboxing. We have two freighters and then the passengers. So we got the EVA Air Cargo, got the China Cargo Airlines, and then we have the Air France 777 200ER. So let's get right into it. We'll start with the EVA Air, go to the China Cargo, and then the Air France last. So I'll move these two out to the side. There. And we got to this EVA Air. So Phoenix models, they're all Phoenix models as well. That's something to note. This is one of their older releases. I picked this up off of Easy Toys at a discount because they've been just trying to get rid of it. It's been out for so long. I don't know when exactly this was released, but I just know it's been on the market for a while. Registration B16781, I think is one of the first ones that they got. But super excited to have this because I had some of the 747 cargos. I had, I think, two of those that were like the cargo version. But unfortunately, the 747-400 cargo is no longer in the EVA Air fleet. They have the 777s now, so it's nice to have this. This is a regular now at LA. So let's go ahead and open this up. The box is very simple. It's just a Phoenix box, so nothing fancy to go over that. It kind of showed you it while I was talking. But, put that to the side. Here's the model. Plastic. There we go. All right. All right, so here we have the model. Just readjust the camera. All right. EVA Air Cargo 777. So Phoenix models. Their mold is pretty good. So we got the cockpit here with some good detail around the windows there, little wipers. Got some details down there by the nose gear. Got the nose gear, which is looking pretty good. Got that one front door here, L1. And then you have the registration right there, B16781. EVA Air Cargo, the nice big titles. Got that nice green and the orange kind of down there at the bottom, which kind of looks like a little sloppily done if you ask me, because right here you can see that kind of looks like it bleeds over. So not sure if that was intentional or if that was by accident, but doesn't look that, it's not like hugely noticeable, but it's just something I noticed by zooming in there and just like kind of looking at it. Got the G90s. Not too bad looking. They look a little small, but I think that might just be because of how they're mounted high. Yeah, so then you got the landing gear there, the rolling landing gear, as always on the Phoenix. And yeah, just kind of moving along. Got the main deck cargo door at the back here, and 777F there, the registration again. Got this evergreen color at the back here, and the EVA Air logo at the back. That's kind of star there and the sort of globe. And then spinning it around to this side, got that cargo door, main cargo door right there for the lower section. Front and the back there. EVA Air cargo titles on this side and whatnot. Just show you the underneath fully. So just straight up green, nothing to show really. And that's that model. Very simple. It's a cargo model, so nothing too fancy. It's got all the little antennas on the top and the bottom, which is nice though. That little red one at the back too, right there, which is nice, accurate, good detail. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for the EVA Air Cargo. We'll pull this to the side, and we'll go ahead and now we'll get to the China Cargo Airlines, which sadly enough, this livery has been, most of them have been repainted, or the newer ones have a new, more white livery, Euro white livery with less color, which kind of sucks because I know JC Wings has a version of it. I was gonna get it, but not worth it. I got this. I just need one. So yeah, if another Phoenix models, don't know when this was released. They don't really say. They don't have a date anywhere to say when they were released. So I know it's an older model for sure though, because I where did I pick this up from? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I picked this up off of I think this was off of Waffle Collectibles from a collection sale. I'd have to double check. Honestly, I don't remember exactly where I got this from, but I know it is a relatively older model because it's hard to find. So when I saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta get it. So, yep, another cargo aircraft to the collection. Registration is B-2076. So there's the aircraft. Alrighty. The colors are very similar to the old China Eastern livery before they too went white. It's interesting, you can tell this is an older model because of how like the plastic, it's kind of hard to tell with the lighting on the camera, but it's kind of yellowed. So it's definitely an older model, but there we go. We'll take it out, the plastic there. Put this back. Move this off to the side. Alright, here we go. So, China Cargo Airlines. So, here we have it. Nose with the little sort of black right in front of the cockpit there, a little black nose. Got the gear there with 7.6 on it. Main door there, some Chinese. I'm guessing that reads China Cargo in Chinese. Just moving along, got the G90s on this. Same as the Eva Air. See, it's kind of hollow. You can kind of see through. Actually, can you? No, that was just the light reflecting off it. These are solid, that's right. Then you got the gear. Got the main deck cargo door there. Boeing 777F underneath. Registration B2076. And then the back, you got the logo. Got that nice like red, I believe it's like a beige, and then blue stripe, which is nice. As I say, the new one is just kind of an all white, just kind of China Cargo titles, I believe, and it's not that really pretty. So this is nicer to look at. Some more color on it. This side you got the cargo doors for the lower deck. There we go. That's about it, honestly. Take a look at the underneath. I'll spin it around and take a look at underneath. All white. Got the registration there on the wing. Some Chinese, and the same on the top here. No different. This one does not have the antennas, so it's a bit of an older. It's definitely an older. Actually, this is probably older than the Eva Air Cargo because this same mold, mold, I'm pretty sure, but just this does not have any of the antennas or anything that the Eva Air did have. So, and as I say, you could tell with that packaging, the plastic, it's yellowed, so it's definitely a whole lot older. So that's what I'm pretty sure I got this from a collection sale on Waffle Collectibles. But anyway, we're gonna pull that to the side, and the last but not least, is the Air France, which this is pretty new. This was released last year. This is the Air France 222 ER with the updated titles. Registration Foxtrot, Golf, Sierra, Papa. This was released at the same time as the 333 with the updated titles, and I got that. I just didn't grab this right away, and I was like, shoot. Well, they started sending them back to LA, and I know they'd always sent them to LA in the past doing the Paris, LA, Tahiti route. So I was like, you know what, I need to get this just even to do throwback updates. So here we have it. We'll go ahead, open this up. So I've got two Air France 333s now and then the 122, so nice little collection of Air France. So here we have it. Get the box folded up. Alrighty. There we go. Put that off to the side there. Let's pull this out. There we go. Boom. Move plastic off to the side. Here we have it. Air France 222 ER. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm just noticing that nose gear, one of the tires is missing, and I don't see it in the packaging. Uh-oh. Dang. That's unfortunate, and I don't see that it dropped on the floor either. I did not even notice that before. This is the first time opening it up, so that's unfortunate. You can see it's missing that nose gear right there. That tire. Oh well. Guess it is what it is. Yeah, it's unfortunate. So here we have it. Air France 222 ER. Missing that nose gear tire. Honestly, Phoenix models their quality control is relatively good. To be honest, I guess tires is probably the one thing because they do the rolling tires. That's just unfortunate that it's not on. I don't see it in the packaging either. So, yikes. So this is it. Here we go. So starting off, got the cockpit there. Got the Air France, the little logo right there. Got Papa there on the nose gear door, and obviously that missing tire looks weird. Yeah, the Air France, nice big Air France logo, the updated one right there. Aircraft name is Montpellier. So there we go. Got the L1, L2 doors, a nice detail all around there. Got the engines looking nice. These are the see-through ones now here on this, as you can see, so updated. Got that nice detail right there on the engines. And just kind of moving around. You got the antennas, the Wi-Fi dome, registration Boeing 777-300ER, and the little SkyTeam logo at the back there. And I'm pretty sure it says Air France KLM right there at the back. And then you have the logo with the little European circle right there, I believe that's what that is. The flag circle right there. So very nice model, just unfortunate about that nose gear because it looks really weird. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find a replacement tire that I can maybe get or something, maybe find something on eBay, or just maybe get a whole new model, replacement model. But here we go. So we'll just kind of move along. This side's no different, just the cargo doors. You got the main gear, and then just underneath, very plain and simple. So yeah, that's unfortunate about that one missing nose gear, but oh well, happens. It happens. It could have been worse. At least it's not completely broken off or anything. Just a missing tire, which hopefully I can find a replacement for or something. But anyway, so that's gonna do it for this video, guys. We have the triple unboxing of the 777s. So let's see if I get them all in frame here. There we go, kinda. So we got EVA Air France, and China Cargo Airlines. So hope you guys enjoyed. There will be many more unboxings to come, so stay tuned for them. Every Monday they'll be coming out. So yes, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.